Hey, it is Tuesday, May 26th, the evening. I wanted to be proactive and work on a limit problem for tomorrow, Wednesday, May 27th. Hôm nay là 11 giờ đêm mà Tuấn muốn làm cái bài học pre-calculus hay calculus cho mình review, you refresh cái memory của cái limit problems. So we have a limit problem like this. Okay, so if I take the pen tool, dùng cái viết chì bên đây, mình làm cái limit problem. Limit of x approaches infinity, okay? Infinity. Remember on the number line, if this is 0 and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, etc. ... This is infinity in the positive direction. And then if this is -1, -2, -3, so on and so forth, this is negative infinity. Infinity in the negative direction. So this is positive infinity. X is to positive infinity. And we have a polynomial, a fractional, or not a fractional polynomial, but a polynomial in the numerator and the denominator. So we have 3x squared minus 5x plus 2, all divided by 7x squared. 7x squared plus 4x minus 1. Okay? So what we can do with this in the next step, I'm going to move this down here and skip that negative infinity to positive infinity number line. They call this a number line, right? Number line. Oop. Messy. Number line. Just for review. So if we have 3x squared minus 5x plus 2, if we multiply both top and bottom by 1 over x squared, what do we have? 3x squared times 1 over x squared is, well, that's 3, right? Minus 5x is, minus 5x times 1 over x squared is 5 over x minus 5x plus, plus 2 times 1 over x squared is 2 over x squared. And let's see, I suppose if we, I think this is how you do it. Okay, if we have multiplied 1 over x squared to the top, then we can do the same to the bottom, right? 1 over x squared. So we have all above 7x squared, which was 7. 7x squared times 1 over x squared is 7, plus 4x. 4x times 1 over x squared is 4 over x. And then minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 1 times 1 over x squared is minus 1 over x squared. Okay? So the next step would be to go ahead and evaluate the limit as x approaches infinity. Limit, excuse my handwriting, limit as x approaches infinity, right? Once again, infinity in the negative direction, infinity in the positive direction. If 0 is infinitely a small number, or a lack of a number, an absence of a number, then infinity is the highest number that you can think of. You know, when I think of like a exponential, e to the x, right? E to the x, that's exponential. E to the infinity would be in this direction. Like a diode. Okay, so let's see. X as approaches infinity would be 3 minus 5 over infinity. 5 over infinity, let's see. If 5 is in the numerator and infinity is in the denominator, 5 over an infinitely large number would be actually closer to 0 than anything else, right? Plus 2. 2 over x squared. 2 over infinity squared. Infinity squared, well, that's also infinity, right? Infinity squared would be infinity. 2 over infinity. 2 over a very large number. What would that be? 2 is a relatively small number on the number line, and a very large number would be 2 over infinity. That would be also close to 0. That would go to 0. So that leaves us with a 3 in the numerator, excuse me. 3 in the numerator. We're still evaluating x as approaching infinity. Okay, we have 7 here, 7 plus 4 over infinity. 4 over infinity. What's 4 over infinity? That is also approaching 0. And then we have 1 over x squared for the last part of the denominator. 1 over minus 1 over infinity squared. 1 over infinity squared is 1 over infinity. 1 over infinity is essentially 0. All of these evaluate to 0, and what we're left over is the limit as x approaches infinity. Very large number. As x approaches a very large number, our equation collapses to 3 over 7. 3 sevenths. Actually, it should be. We should actually denote it like this. Limit of x approaches infinity of 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 divided by 7x squared plus 4x minus 1 equals 3 over 7. I hope that makes sense. And I'm actually going to check the answer with Grok. Okay, I've got my mouse over here. Explore L'Hopital's applications. Oh, actually, I wonder if that was the right way to approach this. Okay, Explore L'Hopital. Well, that could be in a different video, but L'Hopital's rule is to take the derivative of both the top and the bottom. And actually, the answer is the same anyway. We have 3/7, or 3/7. So that's the answer.